It's the Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today, we'll be teaching you kiddos something new. What is it, you ask? Well, it's the word of the week for you kids! What's your word of the week?
I like words!
The word of the week is wolf! Yay! A wolf is a wild, eat-meating, large mammal of the dog family that lives and hunts in packs with other wolves. Wolves are also slender and powerfully built, with a large, deeply descending rib cage, a sloping back, and a heavily muscled neck. You can also use wolf in a sentence like this. The wolf was super hungry and found other wolves in its pack to hunt with. All right, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey. Wolf! If you liked our video, ask your parents to give us a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week. Bye!
Joe and Joey's Imagination Station!